Hello students, now in the statistics we have completed median, we have completed mean, quartile, decile and percentile. Now the last point, that is the mode. Now what is the mode? Now mode means the value which gets repeated maximum number of time, or the value occurring with the maximum frequency in the given data is called as mode. The definition or the meaning of mode is given over here. The value which gets repeated maximum number of times, or the value occurring with maximum frequency in the given data is called as mode. Mode is denoted by capital M and small o, MO. Mode is denoted by small o and capital M. And for the mode we calculate for raw data, for discrete series and for continuous series. So there is the formula for the continuous series only for the mode, and that is this, that MO is equals to L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2 multiplied by C. This is the formula for mode for continuous series. And for discrete series and for raw data there is no formula, because for discrete series and raw data we have to apply meaning or definition of mode to find out mode. So let's start exercise 3.5, and that is the first sum. The IQ levels of students in a class are given below. Find the model value of IQ level of students. So in this first sum, see here, raw data is given, that we can see, right, that only single numbers are given. So this is called as raw data. Now here for raw data we have to apply definition or meaning of the mode, that is the value which repeated maximum number of time, that we consider as mode for the data. So see here how to find out mode for raw data. The value which repeated maximum number of time, मतलब जो भी value maximum number of time repeat हो, that we call as mode. So see 146, is that repeating? Yes, that is repeating for 1 and 2. So 2 times. 134, that is not repeating. Then 143, that is also not repeating. 144 not repeating. 138, so 138 में 1, 138 2, 138 3, 138 repeating 3 times. Then 145 not repeating, 153 not repeating, 138 that is included, 146 and 140. 146 repeating 2 times, 140 repeating 0 times. So here we can consider mode as 138. So we write our answer, MO is equals to 138. So this is our answer. So for raw data we select the number which repeating maximum number of time, that is our mode. Now the second exercise 3.5, in that now the second, this is discrete series. This we can see. The following table gives the number of cakes sold each day at a bakery. Find the mode for sale of bakes. Now here discrete series. For the discrete series also there is no formula for mode. Then how do we find out mode? Now see, this is x values, this is frequency. In the frequency we have to see the maximum number, the highest number of frequency. In the frequency we have to see the highest number, that is 25. 25 is x value, highest frequency is x value, that is our mode. So 25 की x value है 13, so our mode that is 13. So we write down MO is equals to 13. So that is our answer, right? Okay. Now third and fourth that we will do afterwards. Now we look at the sum number 5. Now we first of all read the sum. The table below shows the data about weight of 86 apples from a garden. Find the mode for the weight of apples. First of all, weight of apple is given, number of apples, that means this is F and this is X. Now here we can see that class interval is equal. So whenever class interval is equal, we apply this formula L plus Fm minus Fn. That formula we apply. Remember this, when class interval is equal in each of the class, then at that time only we apply this formula Fm minus Fn's formula. So see the solution over here, right? Now we have written the table which is given. Then we write down formula MO is equals to L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1, 2Fm minus F1 minus F2. This is minus, right? Okay. So now L means lower limit. So which lower limit we take? For that, here we apply method of the discrete series. That first of all you select the highest frequency. So that is 23. 23 is class. So that is our mode class. 23 is class. That is our mode class. So 150 to 160. So this class lower limit that we select. So 150 we write down. Highest frequency is more class. That is our mode class or model class. Its class lower limit, that is our lower limit for the formula. Now highest frequency, that is our Fm value. Its previous frequency, that is our F1 value, and its succeeding frequency, that is our F2 value. Highest frequency, that is our Fm value. Its preceding, that is our F1 value, and it succeeded, it's our F2 value. So now we just put up the values. So 150 plus Fm, that is 23, F1 19 upon 2 into 23 minus 19 minus 10 into 10. 10 means class interval. Whatever model class we have selected, of that class interval, that is our formula's class interval. Now simplify this, so 2.35 comes. So our that add in that 150. So our mode is 152.35 grams. Your grams unit is given. So we write down gram, right? So this is how we can calculate mode for the raw data, for discrete series, and for the continuous series. This formula, remember this formula we apply when class interval is equal, right? So you write down all these three sounds in your notebook. Revise these again, practice yourself, solve yourself, and understand this properly, right? So we see you in the next video. So goodbye everyone.